Welcome to Quiz Conflux.
Welcome to the Animal Sounds quiz. In this game, you will hear different animal sounds and your challenge is to guess which animal it belongs to. Let's get started. Can you get this first animal? Which animal sounds like this? Yes, that is lion. On to the next one. Which animal has this sound? You got it. It is tiger. Here comes another one. Do you know which animal makes this sound? Yes, that is bear. Listen carefully now. Which animal gives out this cry? Yes, that is wolf. Another challenge for you. Can you tell which animal is making this sound? Yes, that is dog. Moving forward. This animal has a very familiar voice. Can you guess? Yes, that is cat. Time for a small one. Which animal squeaks like this? Yes, that is mouse. Here's a gentle one. Can you guess the animal from this sound? Yes, that is rabbit. This one is tricky. Which clever animal makes this noise? Yes, that is fox. Let's try another. Which animal is chittering now? Yes, that is raccoon. Here comes a jumper. Which animal thumps like this? Yes, that is kangaroo. Listen again. Which striped animal has this call? Yes, that is zebra. Here's a strong one. Do you recognize this neighing sound? Yes, that is horse. Try this one out. Which farm animal moos like this? Yes, that is cow. This sound is heavy. Which big animal makes this noise? Yes, that is buffalo. Keep going. Which working animal has this call? Yes, that is ox. Let's test your ears. Which animal oinks like this? Yes, that is pig. Another farm animal here. Which one is bleating now? Yes, that is sheep. You may know this one. Which animal makes the sound ma? Yes, that is goat. This one hums softly. Which animal makes this sound? Yes, that is llama. Here comes a giant. Which animal trumpets like this? Yes, that is elephant. A tough one now. Which animal snorts loudly like this? Yes, that is rhino. A huge animal. Which one grunts in water like this? Yes, that is hippo. Swinging in now. Which playful animal cries like this? Yes, that is monkey. A strong voice here. Which animal beats its chest and roars? Yes, that is gorilla. The cold. Which animal honks like this? Yes, that is penguin. Listen to the sky. Which winged animal is chirping? Yes, that is bird. A night sound now. Which animal hoots in the dark? Yes, that is owl. This one soars high. Which animal screeches like this? Yes, that is eagle. A water one. Which animal quacks loudly? Yes, that is duck. Elegant but loud. Which animal hisses and honks? Yes, that is swan. Bright and tall. Which animal has this sound? Yes, that is flamingo. Early riser time. Which animal crows like this? Yes, that is rooster. Farmyard sound again. Which animal clucks here? Yes, that is hen. A funny sound. Which animal gobbles like this? Yes, that is turkey. From history now. Which extinct animal is squawking? Yes, that is dodo. A slithery one. Which animal hisses like this? Yes, that is snake. This is scary. Which animal growls and snaps? Yes, that is crocodile. Slow but steady. Which animal hisses softly? Yes, that is tortoise. Here comes a crawler. Which animal clicks quietly? Yes, that is lizard. From the pond, which animal croaks loudly? Yes, that is frog. Another reptile. Which animal rumbles like this? Yes, that is alligator. A sea creature. Which animal squirts and squirms? Yes, that is octopus. Another from the sea. Which animal whooshes like this? Yes, that is squid. Playful one here. Which animal clicks underwater? Yes, that is dolphin. A giant of the ocean. Which animal sings like this? Yes, that is whale. A silent hunter. Which animal splashes and growls? Yes, that is shark. A little swimmer. Which animal goes blub blub? Yes, that is fish. A flying beauty. Which animal flutters its wings? Yes, that is butterfly.